looks like he has a collection of human hair. Yes. Andrew Horn! What's up, Andrew? How you doing tonight?
I'm doing all right. I feel honored.
You ready for this fight?
I'm ready.
All right. We're gonna meet your opponent now. He looks like he has a collection of human skin. Steve Yensel! What's up, Steve? How you doing tonight?
What up, Steve?
I'm hanging in. I'm keeping at it, bros. How's it going?
You ready for this fight?
Yes, sir.
All right, 5 jokes, tit for tat. Steve, Andrew, which one of you two would like to go first?
I can go first.
All right, Andrew's going first. Steve's going second. Fight Club, what do you say? Are you ready for this fight?
Yeah.
5 jokes, starting with Andrew. This fight starts now.
Steve. You know he's done yet? Steve Yensel is from Indiana. You know, a lot of famous people have come out of Indiana with the thought, I hope I never run into Steve again.
Bow. Thank you, Breaking Bad and comedy.
Here we go!
Andrew's a phlebotomist. Do you guys know what that means?
Yeah, probably an asshole.
He's a different type of phlebotomist. He's when he asks you out, you go, "Pwah, I'd rather get a lobotomy."
Oh, man. Steve Yensel performs all over the city and is a staple of every New York comedy venue. And the bookers at these venues are staple removers.
Give it up for Honey, I Fucked the Kids. So bad, it looks like he sucks dick for a living.
Let him off the mat!
Steve Yensel is a real perfectionist when it comes to writing jokes. Anytime he writes a joke that doesn't work, he crumples up the paper he wrote it on and throws it over his shoulder. And then his dog catches it, brings it back to him, and says, "No, keep doing this."
Andrew harms women. All right. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Andrew.
Thanks.
You keep pounding that inflatable mate, and maybe someday she'll get pregnant.
This is a shootout right here.
Retard shootout.
Steve Yensel is not the most likable guy. When he started working for the MTA, the penalty for assaulting an employee got downgraded to a misdemeanor.
guys seen him?
They know.
Yeah. Especially when he's trying to pick up underage girls in the park.
Steve Yensel
Must be kidding your buddy.
used to work at the zoo. You know, a lot of animals at the zoo are endangered because of hunting, global warming, and suicide after being around Steve.
Oh, God. All right. Guys, Andrew's from Albuquerque, in case any of you guys want to know or go. Andrew's from Albuquerque. He doesn't like people to know it, though, because he got anally probed by the aliens from Roswell.
Really?
Are we just dropping hard truths?
Fight Club! We'll go to our judges. Lawrence, Reese, we'll start with you. Who do you think won whatever we just saw?
I know who won that shit. They both retarded, bro. It's like when the two cousins get together. They just kept going at it. I might.
Two people whose parents are both cousins.
Yeah, I want to see one more though, bro.
You want to see an overtime? All right. That's one vote for overtime. Darn Simpson.
When both these guys came to the stage, all the pussy dried up. And not only in the room, it's like a 5-mile pussy everywhere, dried up to like a bread consistency, you know. This was too good to call, and just like my dad did, I don't know if I'm gonna leave this one on the table.
All right, there's 2 votes for a draw. Mahdiy Drummond.
Two school shooters walked into a combat. This is like proof that like extracurricular activities save people from mass murder. I'm glad these motherfuckers have a non-violent outlet. Both these motherfuckers is angry, it's obvious. Like these guys on Father's Day, it could go bad, man. Like Father's Day and Christmas Day for these two motherfuckers is the days it's gonna happen if it ever does. She said Valentine's Day, because you know you shit on 2 doofuses that look like this. No, but this is.
Hey, I'll be called a school shooter, a pedophile. Don't call me a doofus.
This is the heavyweight fight of the night. I don't give a fuck. Everybody make noise for this motherfucker. This is it right here. I want to see more jokes. I want to see more.
There's another vote for a draw. Myles Toe.
That best battle ever. All time. Right. You know what I'm gonna say? I want overtime.
You want overtime? Derick, what do you say?
Between these two niggas, it's like 1 chromosome, so I'm gonna go with overtime.
Let's go.
All right. We're gonna go to sudden death overtime. 1 joke apiece. We started with Steve before. We're gonna start with Andrew now. Overtime starts now.
When Steve Yensel was in art school, he learned how to draw pictures of naked men. But unfortunately, a lot of those jobs have been taken by AI, DS.
That was a thing.
Just so you guys know, Andrew will never get an Academy Award. Andrew, didn't you learn anything from Tropic Thunder? You never go full retard.
The long time, baby!
Right, we're gonna go to you guys. Overall, after that round and overtime, do you think the winner of this fight is? Steve Yensel.
5 more jokes. 5 more jokes. Let's keep going.
Where's the winner of this fight? Andrew Hall.